How to send money on Venmo as friends and family. If you want to send money on Venmo as friends and family, first of all, open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have downloaded the Venmo application on your phone. Once you've opened the Venmo app, you want to open it up and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once here, you can simply navigate to the friends option and select the person to whom you might want to send. You'll see all the transactions, or you can tap on this little icon from the bottom right. You'll be taken to the pay or request page where you can simply enter the ID to whom you want to send money, and here you can see friends option, right? So from there you can make sure that in your contact, now it'll ask you who can see this, whether you want to make it public, friends, or private, depending on whatever else you want to do. Then once done, you will see all of the details there, and then you can just tap on the pay option from the bottom of the screen to pay money to your Venmo friends as family. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.